couples here. This song is made for couples on. Yo, what's up everyone? Micheal and Khasi people, north, east, west. Peace from Africa. Welcome back everyone. So today we are going to check WAT PYNLEH NOH. Okay? So it's my first time reacting to Mike, guys. So I'm gonna check this guy out. And today I'm going to give my honest review on his music video, guys. So you can also tell me more about his talent, guys. So don't forget, subscribe, join the African family, because soon we are coming to Shillong. We are going to meet up, guys. So let's do it. Let's go. Khraw Studio, Mike Denzil Khasi production. WAT PYNLEH NOH. So Mike is this one. Okay. Micheal, I know Micheal. Micheal, I know him. Micheal is there. Tell me the guy. What about the other guy? The guy singing. Oh, it's a triple thing. Let's dance. I'm also wearing black, same like them, but no girl with me here. They are all celebrities, man. Those ladies, I used to see them in most of the Galian Is that my guy? The one in the center. Other one is my. What about the other guy? Let's picnic. Nice picnic. Don't come. We only couples here. This song is made for couples only. So sorry if you are single, I'm sorry, because this music for couples. La 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 la. This guy is so romantic. I love his song. Shaku shaku to do them, man. Baro. Yeah, Micheal, easy, bro.
Shot WAT PYNLEH NOH. Shot shinrang bakin thay. Say baro like a junkie stab. Nin ya shot hadu dami. Shot WAT PYNLEH NOH. Shot shinrang bakin thay. Say baro like a junkie stab. Nin ya shot hadu dami.
Okay, so we have here special thanks. Let's. Okay, wait. This is not the director and producer Micheal. Okay, Micheal Pengrove, Mike Denzil. Okay, see, it is like there is two Micheal in this music video. I'm a little confused because there is that one Micheal. I know him, guys, and I want to know like the owner of this channel. I think is the other is Mike Denzil. This is the owner of this channel, and the other guy is Micheal. And that guy, other one, that famous guy also I love watching his music video. Most of his music video is so romantic, guys. The other guy, I don't know what is his name, but you can mention me. I'm putting this picture, guys. I'm putting these pictures. See this photo and tell me their name like this according to this one. This is number 1. This is number two, and this is number three. I want to know them because most of the time I'm just seeing them in some popular Khasi song there. I got to know Micheal, the other Micheal, yeah, I know him, but the remaining I don't know. And it's my first time reacting to Mike Denzil. Maybe Mike Denzil is Micheal Pingrove, right? That is it. I love the music video. It was so amazing, so lovely, especially for couple people, guys. So if you are watching this music video and you are single, I'm so sorry for you because this music video is always need couple, man. It is so amazing and lovely music video to watch here, guys. I just love it. And what do you think, guys? It's so amazing, amazing. Like I love the music video because like most of the faces I saw here, most of them they are celebrities also, and you know they are so good actors, and they just made this music video perfect because Mike Denzel on brought the best Khasi actor and actress that I usually see all the time. So love from Africa, guys. Keep doing the good work. Keep promoting Khasi. Till next time. Pambakala.